Hi, this is Beth from Ampy's Attic. If you're new here, we're glad you found our channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm creating a Christmas decor piece filled with rich layers of color, vintage charm, and old world elegance. It's a simple project that looks like a treasured antique, so let's get started. I'm starting with the first page of the Winter's Calling IOD transfer from the new Christmas collection and the small oval wood gallery blank by IOD. It's 8.5 by 10.6. For my base coat, I'm using Dark Sea from Paint Couture. I knew I wanted to build lots of layered color on top, so I chose a dark base that could peek through and add depth to the finished piece. Next, I poured Basil, Misty Fjord, French Putty, and Peace. Using the small IOD Silicone Blade, I'm layering the colors back and forth. I wasn't sure which ones I'd be using, but I do believe I ended up using all of them. I'm not trying to make anything perfect. I actually want the background to have movement, texture, and the look of naturally aged paint. So it's a back and forth and sort of blend, but the blade also is a little rough and it can help expose some of the colors from underneath. That line across the board shows up more in the video than it actually does in person, and when the project's all done, you don't see it at all. So once that was dry, I brushed on Verde green glaze from Paint Couture over the entire surface. It didn't sit very long because I needed to be able to remove the brushed part of it. Using a little water and just a shop cloth, use a dabbing motion and lift off the glaze. That creates a soft, warm or worn finish, which adds to the vintage texture. I wanted to save the border of the transfer for another project, so I carefully cut it in a spot where it could easily be pieced back together. That allowed me to use just the center of the Christmas tree for the project. Those spots looked a little too stark, so I just had to touch it up a little bit by getting more color over the blue. I started applying the transfer, but because I had built up several layers of paint and hadn't allowed quite enough drying time, the transfer started to lift up some of the paint. It's just a small area, but it was not a good sign. So learn from my mistake and save yourself a step. If you do this, however, just stop and let everything sit overnight, then you can come back and the transfer should work just fine. That little area where the paint had lifted still pulled up, but I was hoping it would be repairable or not show. It looked really pretty good, but that tiny spot still just bothered me. So instead of just leaving it, I brushed on a tiny bit of decoupage medium and then reapplied that small section of the transfer. Just need to let it sit. So while that dried, I finished painting the edges of the oval with dark sea to give the piece a cleaner finished look. That gave the decoupage time to dry. If you like this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd comment, give us any thoughts of how it could have been better, what you like about it. Now for the moment of truth. And it worked. A little bit of extra drying on it, and then definitely needed a top coat. And then it was done. I love how this piece turned out. It's such a simple project, but the layered colors and vintage details make it look like an heirloom that's been around for generations. If you enjoyed this project, I'd love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We have lots more videos featuring the new IOD Christmas release coming soon, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.